Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones provide the perfect balance of quiet, comfort, and sound. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your headphones. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you will find your protective carry case. Open it to reveal your Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones. You'll also find a USB charging cable and an audio cable. And finally, back inside the box is a quick start guide and important safety information. Okay, now let's pair your headphones with your mobile device. On the right ear cup, slide the power Bluetooth switch to the right to power on the headphones for the first time. By default, the headphones will be ready to connect and the status light will blink blue. If your headphones aren't in this state, slide and hold the power Bluetooth switch for a few seconds until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can connect to your headphones within the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. However, to adjust settings and receive future software updates, we recommend downloading the Bose Music App from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then tap Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your headphones. Once they appear, tap Connect. Follow the remaining app instructions to connect your headphones. Once connected, you'll hear a voice prompt.
Connected to smartphone.
And the status light glows solid blue for 10 seconds. To charge your headphones, connect the small end of the USB cable into the USB-C port on the right ear cup. Connect the other end into a USB-A wall charger and then plug it into a power outlet. The status light will blink white while charging, and it will glow solid white when fully charged. Your Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones are now set up. For additional support, visit our website.